It's makeup haul time! I will now show you everything that I have in these boxes. Let's start with the biggest one that I got in PR and opened a few days ago, and oh my, what's inside? This isn't just a packaging, it's like a whole experience. Look at this. Oh, it's just so cool. It's so cute. What is this? This is so cool. This is a sticker. And they sent so many goodies. Like, I was not expecting that. I was expecting maybe like a couple of tooth polishes. But this, oh my, that's so many. That's so many. That's amazing. And look, we have more stickers. A lot of those. Any kind of stickers that you might like. They're here. Totally random. Very cute. This is the glitter bundle, I think. Yeah, glitterati party, it says. Wow. They are separated, which is kind of normal. When you store them, they separate. So before using them, you have to shake them really well. We have a party going on here. Let's see what this is about. Woohoo! And this seems to be the rainbow bundle, which I already had, but I feel like they improved the lavender color a lot because my old one kind of looks like this. And I love this new one. I am very curious to try it. Now I feel like this one has been a little damaged in the process of transportation because it has a strong smell of tooth polish. And also, as you can see, these are covered in white a bit. I think the white one got a little damaged and some product got out, but we still have a lot of product left here, so I think we're gonna be fine. And the metallic orange one seems to be just great. And lastly, this is honestly a very mysterious polish to me, but it says Blacklight Bundle. So I guess it glows in the UV light, or maybe just glows in the dark. It says glow in the dark and sparkle in the light. Super curious about this. It's like transparent but slightly bluish, if you can tell. Grayish, bluish, something like that. Whoa, this is a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 tooth polishes! Oh my god! I'm rich. I used pieces of tissue for the damaged polishes so that they don't leak anymore. My goodies. If you're curious about what tooth polish is and if it does what it promises and if it's safe to use on your teeth, I have a video about that. Just check out the description box. And I already did the lip art and the tooth art with these new polishes. The link to the YouTube shorts is in the description box. I also have it on TikTok and I also wanted to post it to my Instagram, but a misfortune happened to my Instagram. It just vanished. themirrorbeauty account, the same username as here, which used to be my Instagram with 14k followers and which had 5 years of age, it just disappeared. And so I don't have any email from Instagram about a ban or about a deleting or about an email change, like literally nothing, as if it had never existed. And please guys, if you can help me out, if you have someone who works for Meta, for Instagram, for Facebook, just please pass on this information to them. Like, I'm obviously not asking them to give me any, corporate secret information, of course not. But can they just please look from their side and just see what happened? Because I'm pretty sure it's a technical glitch. As I said, I haven't got any notifications that I did something wrong or, that I probably accidentally deleted my account. No, nothing like that. If something changes, I will update you in the pinned comment, but for now the situation is such. So if you can help, I will be forever grateful. For now, let's move on with the haul. Then we have this box from Melt Cosmetics. It's my first time trying Melt Cosmetics, first time ever. And oh my, I'm so in love with this box. Like, I think I'm gonna keep it, except it has these stickers on the bottom, which I don't really like. But I will try to get rid of them, because look at this, there is a sticker, by the way. It's literally a work of art. It's so pretty. Okay, so what did I get here? As you can see, quite a few goodies. These are 2 metallic liquid lipsticks, 1 matte liquid lipstick, and, oops, 4 eye pencils. And well, this is just packing paper, but look at this, like, how pretty is this? Okay, let me start with the lipsticks right here. This one is Superheat, Atomic and Poser. You can see the color here, but also here with the Melt logo. And let me just quickly swatch them for you. So these are 2 metallic ones. This is Superheat, like a very, very bright pink. Then Atomic is like a magenta pink, slightly darker. And I'm wearing a combo of these 2 on my lips today. And I feel like together they make a perfect dupe for the Lime Crime Passion Fruit, which I used to love, but I think it was discontinued. And so as you can see, it is slightly darker than this one, but slightly lighter than this one. So I applied the darker one underneath and the lighter one on top, because these 2 metallic liquid lipsticks are slightly sheer when you apply them, and you usually need 2 layers. Now here's the matte poser one, which I haven't tried yet, and it's my first time swatching it. Oh, beautiful! So it's like a berry color, dark berry color, I would say. So it has a purplish hue, but at the same time, it's kind of a reddish purple, I would say. Very warm purple, or like a very cool magenta, and dark. Then the eye pencils we have are called Neptune, Montauk, 420 and Dusk. Let's swatch them too. So this is Neptune, like a dark blue. Then Montauk is a brighter blue. 420 is an emerald green. It's actually darker than I thought. And Dusk is a metallic orange. Whoa, this is actually more vibrant than I thought. Kind of a pumpkin color. And all this stuff just got to me in February, although I ordered it for Black Friday, but there was quite a story there, so the first package got lost. They sent me another one, and also we had to replace one of the items because I also ordered a purple pencil in the first package, and it wasn't available anymore in the second one, so we replaced it with this hot pink lipstick, which I'm honestly glad we did, because I really love how the 2 metallic lipsticks behave. They're transfer proof, as you can see. At the same time, they do not feel drying, which is really great and doesn't always happen. And I'm not so happy with the pencils. I have only tried one of them so far, the bright blue one, the Montauk, and I didn't like it. I mean, it applied nicely, it is pigmented, the color is the same as you see in the pencil, and it applied smoothly, like nothing wrong with it here, but it did not last, like at all. I have very oily lids, and it started transferring very quickly. I'm inserting the little clip here so that you can see how it behaved. So this is not a good fit for oily lids. Unfortunately, I'm really sad because I got these colors feeling like they were pretty unique. Especially, I especially love this orange one, but now I think I will only be able to use them with an eyeshadow, with a primer, and even in that case, still, if I'm not going to wear the look for a long time. So if I'm just doing a look to film a video or, you know, to take some photos, then yeah, I guess these pencils are going to be okay. So they will last for now or two with a primer and eyeshadow, but more than that, I'm not sure. Without a primer, without an eyeshadow, just on bare oily lids, I think they lasted me like maybe about an hour or so. No, unfortunately no. Which makes me really indecisive about the fact if I ever want to try their eyeshadows, because apparently they're not very focused on oily lids and I have big trouble finding the right eyeshadow that will stay. I made a video about this in case you have very oily lids too, just check it out. The brands and the eyeshadows that I have tried that work and that don't. But anyway, I really like some of the Melt palettes, but now I'm not so sure if I should spend my money on this. If you have super oily lids and if you have tried Melt eyeshadows, just let me know. Let's now go for the smaller things. This is the Nude Blur Lip Base by Kiko Milano. This is a repurchase. I don't know how many times I repurchased this already, but it's really great as a lip primer, and I think lip primer is really important, especially if you wear liquid lipstick. It smooths your lips, really nice, and also it makes the lipstick less drying. I use a lip primer every day. I'm not saying that this particular lip primer is the only good one, but that's just
more on the affordable side, so I feel like this is the one that works for me. I've also tried one from MAC, which was way more expensive, but it did pretty much the same thing. Another thing that I got, tried, and absolutely loved is this Maybelline foundation, which is called Super Stay Active Wear Foundation, and the color that I have is 21, which is apparently a golden beige. So, and this is really amazing. Never before have I tried an affordable, a drugstore price foundation that would have behaved so well. Just for the context, I have mixed to oily skin, so my T-zone is really oily and my cheeks are normal skin, so I don't have dry skin anywhere, and I feel like this is the foundation that works the best for oily, for normal, or for mixed skin like mine. If you have dry skin, that might not be the option because it's kind of mattifying, so if you have like flaky skin or something like that, it may highlight that and probably you need something more hydrating. But if you have oily skin, or like mixed to oily, I would really recommend to try that. And the reason I got it, though I do have a foundation that I usually use, which is MAC Pro Longwear. Everything is erased from it, it's so old. So the reason I got this one is because I'm really pale in February and March, and I didn't really want to get a MAC Pro Longwear, which is quite expensive, which I love a little bit more than this one. But that is way more expensive. I didn't want to get it for 2 months, you know, because already in April I hope to have maybe like a little bit of tan, at least on my face, because the sun will finally be appearing here. But for now I'm like really super pale and I needed a foundation for a couple of months. So compared to Pro Longwear, this one is a little bit more liquid when applying, but also dries faster. So it's a little bit harder to work with, meaning you have to put a little bit more effort into applying it so that it's even, and you have to be quicker blending it because it dries really fast. Pro Longwear is better in that sense, but I mean, guys, the price is way lower, so I would go for that one. Especially if you're buying a shade that you don't need for too long, like when you are especially pale during the year, or maybe on the contrary when you went to a beach vacation and got tanned and you're of a darker color than you usually are. So especially, you know, if you're looking for like a temporary solution, this is the one to go, I think. Next we have the Nyx Epic Smoke eyeliner, and you might ask why I have 3 violet colors and 1 green. And that would be a fair question. So I only opened 1 violet, 2 of these are absolutely untouched, they are even sealed. There is quite a story with these. Oh, by the way, I also have already tried them and tested them, and I have mixed thoughts on them. I will be making a review soon. Let me show you the swatches. Here is the violet color, like really beautiful, a cool, slightly muted violet. I just love purple eyeliners, and the green is like a forest green, so it's a warmer green shade. Not dark, not light, like medium. I think the purple, the violet is more on the lighter side. So why do I have 3 purple pencils? Is it just because purple is my favorite color? Not exactly. A friend of mine was about to arrive here in December. Yes, you heard it right, in December. I know we're in March now, but hear me out. And 2 days before she had to leave, I realized that NYX had launched this Epic Smoke eyeliners, and I was like, oh my god, I need to try them, I'm so curious, and I also wanted to make an early review for you guys. So I asked her to order these, and we also ordered this super expensive overnight delivery, but the thing is that UPS messed up and they failed to deliver it before she left. And so we emailed NYX telling what happened, and they gave the money back because, you know, it's not like I got these pencils a day later. It's like I got them a couple of months later eventually. And she could only send them back after she arrived home after spending quite a while here. And she discovered that by another mistake, they sent 3 violet colors and 1 green. And so she just sent them over to me. I honestly don't really know what I do with the 2 violet colors that are extra ones. Like maybe I will keep them as backups, maybe I will include them in a giveaway, I'm not sure yet. But I'm absolutely sure that a review on these liners is coming up. I will tell you what is good about them, what is bad about them, I will show you everything. And please let me know which of these items in the haul were your favorites, which items you're the most curious about, what else you would like to watch a review on, and of course check out the playlist with the reviews that I already have, and I will see you there. Thanks for watching, bye!